Good morning. Ano na ba? August 27, 2025. Good morning, guys. Same as usual pa rin. I am looking for potential businessmen who would like to start their business on a sitio level community. When you say sitio, it has 1 to 10 residents around you. It is also 100 to 200 walk, 200 footsteps walk to Barangay Soriano with 1,000 and more residences. If you want, please go ahead